What's up, everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. I am a Nigerian American that currently vlogs about Nigeria. So today's video is a little bit different. It's special. One of my followers told me that, hey, Bayo, since you go to Ogun State frequently to kind of check on your land, I have an Airbnb close by, and I know that you've reviewed a few Airbnbs. I would love for you to go and stay at my property and do a review for me, and I'll let you stay for free. And I was like, oh, heck yeah, I'll do it. But I was like, under one condition. In order for me to do a review and post it on my YouTube, you would have to allow me to be fully honest about what I think about your property. And she was like, ah, but she was like, yes, sure, do it. So I came to check out this beautiful property here. To give you guys a few details before I give you guys a tour, it's a 4-bedroom house, 1 bedroom downstairs, 3 bedroom upstairs. It's a gated estate with security. And you know what? Let's go. Let's just go check it out. So as you guys can see, this is the gated area. My first impression when I came in here is the compound was clean. Like the whole outdoor area was clean. I appreciated that they have a little bit of plants and some gardens, and there's a car space, parking space for like 2 cars. I also now, when I go to places, I'm always walking around because I like to know what's around me, but the security guy stays there and he kind of manages things that needs to be done around the house, and they have their own water tank, which I see, and I'm like, okay, so far so good. Externally, I love kind of like the design, so all of this is great. So now let's go inside and talk about what I think about the inside. I'm gonna give you guys a tour and then I'll give you guys a summary at the end. But just so you guys know, so far, I'm having a good experience so far. I think a lot of the basic things work, but I'll share the positives and the things that I think that they can improve at the end of this video. Let's go check it out. So the generator is there. So if you have your bedroom up there, sometimes it can be loud, so just be aware of that. But it works. And also what's cool about this house is you can tell the person that owns this is a diaspora because they have a garage space. I typically don't see garages in houses in Nigeria. And the garage leads to the laundry area as well. So anyways, but that's just a cool feature that I thought I'd share. I think you guys would appreciate it. All right, so this right here is a waiting area. So like when you have a guest that comes and you're waiting to attend to them, they can always stay here till you're ready. So they don't come to like your immediate space. So let's go to the main living room area.
I'm the one that makes it.
So this is the living room area. As you guys can see, there is sitting area for like 2 to 3, 4 people. And then they have this area here that I don't quite understand what it's for, but they said it's a bar. So I'm guessing you can come here and dance. But anyways, I think it's like, I see it like as an art piece. I think one of our guests told me that it's an art piece. This door, I have no idea what it leads to. This is a guest toilet. So if you have a guest that needs to use a restroom, they have it here. All right, so this is just a quick 360 view area of the living room. Now we are here. This is the living room space. So this can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I also see that they have a hand wash and sink there. Pretty cool. And the fridge is actually in the living space. So check this out. Voila. This is the fridge. I love it. It's a modern style fridge. And then there is the kitchen. There's so many doors in this house though that it took me some time to get used to it because I'm used to like an open concept design. But guys, look at this. This is another sign that you can tell that this person that owns this house is a diaspora. You typically don't see islands in Nigerian houses except the very, very expensive houses like the ones in Ikoyi, Banana Island, the $1 million houses that you see in Ireland. So I love that they have this in the kitchen. It helps with prep. But everything works. Water works, microwave works, fridge works. Everything is good. They have plates, plenty of plates. They even have teacups. They have regular cups. They have spoons, cutleries, pots, pans. Everything that you need to make this home They have lots of storages, cabinets. So I think everything is good here. No complaints. All right. So now let's go check out the other rooms. So this one right here, it is the garage that we were talking about. It actually doesn't lead to the laundry room. Oh, the laundry room actually leads to another outdoor space. See, I'm getting it mixed up. But this is the garage, so you can park your car and come directly. Okay, so now remember I told you guys there's 1 bedroom downstairs, 3 bedroom upstairs. So this is the first bedroom. As you guys can see, I love that each bedroom has a table and a chair. Maybe because I'm always working on the go and people always have computers, things that they need to do. I love that each room has this and the bed and then a closet space and then the bathroom. Actually, you guys can come in. Let me show you guys a quick shot of the bathroom. So there's a shower there and then there's a toilet. All right, so hopefully you guys have seen the bathroom, the closet space. You can hang clothes, fold clothes, all that stuff. And man, there's so much detail that I really appreciate. There's a lamp that you can use to turn in and off. And there's a trash can. And I know this is not a big deal, but when you have a guest, all of these small things makes a difference. Because there's been plenty of places that I've stayed at and you have to like go and look for where the trash can is. But anyway, I just thought that was kind of like a cool feature. Come on. So this is another sitting area that you can use to like entertain guests. So sometimes because if you have like a party in your house or like a get together, it's nice to have separate spaces where people can have their own little kind of side conversations as needed, or maybe like your family, your kids are hanging out here while the adults are talking. I think it's like a cultural thing, but some big houses have it. So let's go check out another room. So this is the laundry room. Again, I like that there's a separate washer and a dryer. So I think that's really cool. And there's also another extra like bathroom here and shower for whatever you need to use it for. My guess is maybe the security guard there. This might be where he comes to like take a shower, so that way it's separated from the inner space. That's why I think this is designed that way. But anyways, a laundry room. But this house is big, so I know they have spaces. So let's go check out upstairs. By the way, this light comes on at night and it's just beautiful. I like the way it looks. Artwork. All right. Cool. Let's go check out upstairs. So we are upstairs, guys. So upstairs there's 3 bedrooms. There's 1, 2, 3. But they have a living room here. Couch for people to hang out. Since there's 3 bedrooms upstairs, I think the couch should probably accommodate at least 3 to 4 people. But neither that's cool. But I love this feature, guys. You guys can see Mr. Fountain downstairs. There you go. So if you guys have a family or you're interacting, you can easily come up here to see what's going on downstairs. I like that openness of the upstairs. And they have 3 windows here and AC here. And then TV that you guys can lounge upstairs. So let's go through bedroom number 1. All right. So this is the master bedroom. So as you guys can see, by the way, the comforters and the sheets are fantastic. I really like it. It was comfortable to lay on. The only downside with staying in this bedroom is the generator, but it was okay. And this is my workspace. I like that it has kind of like a chair and a desk area. And my favorite thing about this bedroom is not even the room itself, it's the balcony. Let's go check it out. Look at this, guys. You can sit out here, have some coffee, enjoy the birds chirping in the morning, enjoy watching the chickens running around. I think this place is not like in a highly populated area. So it's really cool just to kind of be around and check out your neighbors. Hello, how are you, man? You're doing good? I think she's camera shy. Okay, guys, so let's go check out the rest of the house. So they have obviously a lot of closets here. I think master bedroom, I'm assuming that this is the woman and this is the man if you're a couple. And then let's go to the area. So I don't know what this is for, but I think it's some sort of storage. They have a hand washing sink and they have like a bathroom here. Let me show you guys. Come on in. So yeah, that's the shower. The good thing with this is that there is hot water in each of the bathrooms. And I think if you want to turn on the water heater, this is off, you turn it on. So that way you can take hot showers if you want. Okay? All right. Okay, let's go check out the other rooms. So this is room number 2 upstairs, but room number 3 in total. So as you guys can see, another like workspace area, nightstand with lamps, very nice comfortable comforters and sheets that all matches, a nice little closet space area here, and then every room is an ensuite. So this is the bathroom, what it looks like. Let me give you guys a close-up shot of what the bathroom looks like. Very cool. All right, let's go check out room number 3. So, room number 3 is here. Voila! So again, workstation, bedroom, beds, closets, another bathroom. You guys already got the drill with the bathroom now. Same design. This one is a little bit more spacious. The other ones felt a little bit more like cramped, but this one feels like it was more aligned bathroom, so it's good. Same old, same old. All right, guys, let's go into the living room here. All right, so I'm gonna have a seat. So overall, I actually think that this place is fantastic. I think a lot of things work. So the few things that I think can be improved is that I think the fact that there's no TV, like no local channel, no DSTV. If somebody wants to stay here for a long time, I think it's better to have a functional like TV service that people can watch as your guest when they're here. So that is the first thing that I will talk about. Secondly, actually, let me show you guys visually. And again, I'm being nitpicky. These are small details, but again, the details matter. So other things is that when you have guests, things like this should be taken care of. Like, I don't know if they just bought the chair and they didn't remove them, but I would take the time to kind of remove all of this. Oh, I'll remove it later so I don't take too much of you guys' time. And also here, I also see that some of the things are not fully removed. I don't know if it's being preserved, so I probably shouldn't mess with it, but that's one thing that I think can be improved. And again, these are small details that I'm bringing up. I think some of these cleaning items, I think it's actually common in Nigeria. They don't necessarily like hide cleaning stuff, but I think to be completely modern, I think all of this needs to be like hidden somewhere that's not visible to the guest. Like every Airbnb needs to have a storage space that you put all your cleaning supplies, your mops, your brooms, your extra toilet papers and all that stuff in there. So I just wanted to kind of mention that. Okay. We're gonna sit down back again. And the last thing that I felt like could have made this experience much better is having like an internet service, like a Wi-Fi. So for people that are transiting, moving around, a lot of people are working from home. So I think our phone services were very limited because of the area. So I think having like a Wi-Fi internet would make the experience much, much, much better. The washing machine does not actually have, from what the gate man is saying, when you start it, there's no automatic like water pipeline that goes into the washing machine. So to wash our clothes, we had to manually like put water. I actually have never seen it done that way, but it works. So we had to manually put water in the washing machine one by one before we put soap, and then we washed it. But the gate man was so nice. He just helped us wash the clothes and helped us dry it. So that's one thing that can also be improved, knowing that people might not automatically know that they have to manually put water in it or fix the plumbing system to make sure that that's good. And another downside is the road is not as accessible, but that one is not a big deal. So overall, I would rate this place actually pretty good. If they can like fix all the little like small details, I think this place is fantastic. So, and I think this place is priced roughly, I think it's like $125, I think it's $150 a night. Is it higher than that? Actually, I'll put the link in the description on the pricing for whatever it costs so you guys know. And lastly, this place is located in Sagamu. So it is in Makun, Sagamu. I think it was like a 30-40 minutes drive from where my land is in Kobakbe. So yeah, just know that this place is in Makun, Sagamu. What other details am I missing? Oh, that's it. So I want to know, what do you think about this Airbnb? What would you improve? What do you like? What do you dislike? How much would you pay for it? Comment below in the video. And if you have other Airbnbs in Lagos that you'd like me to review, if you guys own anyone, I would love to check it out for you. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Oh, I should add one more thing. The one thing that I liked about the host of this place is that they checked on me when I checked in, and the person who is responsible for managing this place, he followed up with me to see how I was doing, and he followed up with me the next morning. This is a common practice with the Airbnbs in the US and my Airbnb, and the reason why people follow up like that is to make sure that everything is working well. So you want to say, hey, how was your night? Do you have any issues that we can resolve? That would help you increase the experience so you always know what people are thinking about rather than not being reachable or waiting to the end of their stay to follow up with them. So anyways, guys, if you are ever in Ogun State, definitely check this place out. I highly recommend it. All right, guys, so that is the conclusion of this Airbnb tour. This place is located in Makun, Sagamu, in the Ogun State area. If you're ever in the area, I recommend that you check this place out. It's definitely well suited for like a big family or if you're traveling with a group. Like we had a group of 4 here. So like our driver, our video person, and another guest. So yeah, so this was definitely very well suited for that. Check it out, and also comment below in the comments, what do you like, what do you dislike, what do you think can be improved, what do you love about it? Let us know. And lastly, guys, remember it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.